Hello everyone. In this video, I am doing a question which is very important question for 2 marks. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the points A has coordinate 6, 5 and B has coordinate -4, 3. So you know that when any point lies on y-axis, its abscissa is always 0. So what we will write? Let capital P and it has coordinates 0, y be a point. This be a point on y-axis which is equidistant. Equidistant means at equal distance, which is equidistant from points. What are those points? A has coordinate 6, 5 and B has coordinates -4, 3. So point P is equidistant from A and B. So therefore AP will be equal to BP. Right? Now to make the calculations more simple, AP square will be equal to BP square. Now we will be applying distance formula. When I have done squaring, the under root sign will be cancelled. So AP. So this is A and these are the coordinates of P. So let it is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now what will I do? 6 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus y whole square is equal to, now BP 6, this is B point -4, 3, P have coordinate 0, y. So -4 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus y whole square. Here I have applied distance formula. Now 6 minus 0 is 6. So it is 36. Here will be applied formula A minus B whole square. A square yani 25 square, that is 25. Plus B square means y square. Minus 2AB, 2 into 5 into y, 10y. Minus 4 whole square is 16. Plus 3 square is 9. Plus y square minus 6y. Now you can see y square and y square both carry positive sign, so they will be cancelled out. Now you solve it. 6 and 5 11, 3 to 5 and 1 6, minus 10y is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25 minus 6y. Further, minus 10y minus 6y will come to the left side of equal to, plus 6y is equal to 25 minus 61. So minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4y is equal to minus 11 minus 5 is 6, 5 minus 2 is 3. So minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 36 over 4, that is equal to 9. So we have found the value of y as 9. Therefore, required point, that is on y-axis, what is that point? We have assumed that point 0, y, so it is 0, 9. So this was the solution of this question. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.